I've got a better idea.
What is this madness?
You can't beat the power of caffeine. It's my secret weapon.
I can't believe this. You saved the mission with coffee.
You underestimate the power of a good brew.
How is it possible that you saved the world and I'm still not allowed to have a coffee?
Want to trade?
I'm excited to be here today to discuss our latest innovations.
Your mission briefing for a sip of my coffee.
This is the best coffee I've ever had. Did you make this?
Nope, that was the Espressoator 5000.